This is my 2017 Jaguar F-Pace. Just rebuilt the heads, replaced the head gaskets, machined the heads back to flat. They were both warped. Getting ready to start it up for the first time. Everything is connected as far as the electrical system and the fuel lines, but none of the cooling system is in place. There's not even a water pump in here. The radiator's not in, there are no hoses, there are no belts. I just want to see if it will run. It's been topped off with oil. I've got a battery charger on it because the alternator doesn't have a belt. Won't be running for long here. Just a quick startup. This is the rest of the cooling system, waiting to go in once I know the engine's gonna hold together. Let's see if we can figure out why it won't start. All right, I think I figured out the problem. There is no coolant temperature sensor plugged in, and it's part of this hose, and since I didn't put the cooling system in and didn't connect this, it has no idea what the temperature is. So I'm going to give it a temperature reference. Now it has coolant temp. Let's see what happens. needed right there. Good start.